Alright, so you dropped more than $830 on your new iPhone 15 and you're looking for a nice rugged case, and you definitely know that the OtterBox is known for one of the best rugged cases. So I'm here to show you guys exactly how to install the OtterBox Defender Series case and give you my opinion on whether or not this case is worth it for your new iPhone 15. So whenever you pick up an OtterBox Defender Series, you can see here that they come drop tested here. So it's 5 times tested the military standard, and all that means is that this case has been rigorously tested in multiple drop scenarios to ensure that this case passes all the standards here. So OtterBox is definitely known for their high standards of quality over here. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Now I picked this up in the black color. They also come in other colors and patterns, so I highly recommend you check that out as well. And whenever you pick up a Defender Series case, it does come with a belt holster attached already. So what I like about this is that the belt clip swivels 360 degrees. And it also acts as a kickstand. If you just press and hold this over here, it basically snaps into place, and you can use this as a kickstand, or you can choose not to use it. Most people don't really use these. You basically lift this portion up to take the case out. Alright, so here we have the actual Defender Series case here. Now, in case you ever wanted to know the differences between the Defender Series and the Defender Series Pro, has to do with the fact that the Defender Series Pro has a different design pattern, and it has basically horizontal lines running across the whole case. And it also has an antimicrobial coating on it as well. That's basically the only differences that I've seen across the two cases. Otherwise, they're virtually the same. Now, in order for us to install this, the first thing we want to do is remove the rubber piece out of the harder shell. So what I like to do is start from the bottom here, open up the port cover, pull the port cover down until you see the rubber separate, as you can see right over here. And then you're going to use your finger and basically move the rubber out of the hard shell, just like this. I'm going to go all around the case here. Alright, once you have all the rubber out, now it's very easy to take it out. You just separate it and it comes right out. And basically you have a nice little thick rubber here. And this is basically what OtterBox has been known for, nice quality rubber. And then we have the hard shell. Now right on the back, you're gonna see arrows indicating all of the tabs here. There's gonna be 6 tabs in total, with the final tab located right next to the camera here. So all you have to really do is take your finger and basically apply pressure downward to kind of remove the tab out of the case. Okay, so it should come off very seamlessly easy. And now that we have that out, we're just going to grab our iPhone 15. We're going to match up the camera. We're going to take the top piece, line it up. Then we're going to snap it in place against the tabs. We got 1, 2, 3, 6 tabs in total. You want to make sure you apply pressure all around the case and just double check it, make sure everything is nice and sealed. And then the last step is to put back the rubber piece. And again, you're going to first start by putting the rubber piece all around, kind of lift it up. So all you're going to do here is basically push down the rubber piece so that it falls into place on the hard shell. So just like that, you see the rubber piece going inside the hard shell. Alright, and just like that, we have the OtterBox Defender Series successfully installed. And what I like about this case is that definitely feels very premium, feels really nice in the hand. Now, a lot of times, whenever you hear OtterBox, you're thinking about a giant brick, but to be very honest, the Defender Series does not feel like a brick at all, and that's thanks to the fact that the iPhone 15 series is very thin to begin with. So it follows that same form factor. It doesn't feel like a super thick case like you might think it is. It actually feels nice and smooth, especially since the 15 is a smaller phone. It still fits very comfortably in the hand, and I can still do things one-handed very seamlessly. So let's take a look around the case here. Starting with the bottom here, we have nice openings for our microphone and speaker grill, and we have a nice port cover here for your Type-C port. Now I do recommend opening this portion up very cautiously because over time this could definitely break off. can see the sides of the case are very nice and sleek. Here's another cover here for the toggle switch. A little bit annoying if you ever use this a lot, but it does protect against dust and other particles. And you can see on the back of the case here, we do have a very subtle OtterBox logo on the bottom of the case, and that's pretty much the only logo you're going to see on the case. And then what I like about the Defender series is that the camera bezels are raised very, very high, as you can see here. So if you ever gets dropped on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about your camera getting damaged. And the screen bezels are raised significantly higher as well, as you can see here. Same thing, we don't have to worry about the screen getting damaged or dinged. And I do recommend getting yourself a nice screen protector for the maximum protection. And the one that I use here is the Zag Glass XCR3, which is my personal favorite for the best screen protector that you can get for your 15. Now, personally for me, the Defender series, while it does feel amazing in the hand, I wish it came with MagSafe capabilities. If you're looking for MagSafe, you are gonna have to pick up the XT version of the case, because this is the only one that's gonna have the MagSafe. For the Defender portion of it, this one does not have MagSafe. However, it does support wireless charging. So even though this is a magnetic power bank here, it's still gonna provide wireless charge. You can see here it's going to charge, so it's going to be compatible for any of your wireless charging pads, but it's not going to offer any of the magnetic MagSafe benefits. So if you don't really plan on using MagSafe accessories, or you don't care for that, then the Defender series is definitely going to be a solid choice. Just me personally, I like to have MagSafe, so this is probably not going to be something that I would personally choose, but I will definitely go for the XT series instead. So all in all, guys, I highly recommend the OtterBox Defender Series case for your iPhone 15. If you're looking for a nice rugged case here that offers tremendous protection, maybe you drop your phone a lot, or maybe you work in environments that are very rugged, like something like constructions, and this is definitely a great case to have. Or maybe you bought this phone for your kids and you don't want them to break your phone, and this is definitely going to be one of the best options out there. Now, it doesn't mean that this is indestructible, because no matter which case you have, it could still potentially damage. However, the chances of that happening is significantly reduced when you have a case like this one here, because OtterBox definitely did a great job with how well they protect their devices. So I would have the most confidence in the OtterBox Defender. Just keep in mind though that it doesn't mean that it's indestructible. Plus, this belt holster does come in handy if you ever plan on using this. Basically, have the screen facing inwards, and then you have really nice protection when it's on your belt. And this video is not sponsored by OtterBox whatsoever, but if you ever do decide to purchase this using my link in the description box, then I do get a small commission, and it does help the Firewolf Tech channel. Otherwise, another way to support me is to subscribe to my channel and just drop a like and a comment. I really appreciate that. I am trying to grow this channel. My goal here is to hit 9,000 subscribers towards the end of the year, so hopefully you guys can help me achieve that goal. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want some more, hit me a follow. Till next time, guys.